So here we can see a Facebook post. Now I will save this post to my save list. So I'm going to tapping on this three dot and just tapping on save video, and now save to where you want to save the post. You can select a new collection, create a new collection from here, but I've already created a collection called fall letters. So I'm going to selecting this collection or folder to save this specific story post. And let's find out another post. So maybe this post, I'm going to saving the post just like so, selecting this collection. And now here's how to find and delete saved items. So tap on your profile photo and here you will find saved folder. Just tap on saved, and here we can see all collections or folder. Now just go to the collection or folder where you saved the post or video, and under the specific collection here we can see all of my saved post and videos. Now to delete any post, just tap on this three dot next to the post or video and just tap on remove from collection, and the specific post or video will be deleted from saved items. So this is how we can do it.